Hi everyone, it's Lori from the Nutty Bookmaker, and I have an album to share with you. As you can see, I made it with the G45's Well Groomed collection. I used 2 pads of the signature paper and then 1 pad of 12 by 12 patterns and solids, ephemera cards, and the sticker sheet that comes with the pack. Okay, so there's nothing there. That's because I put the dog here. And because I had 2 sheets, I was able to give it some depth. So he's got a couple layers to him. Everything is raised. He's sitting on a chipboard frame wrapped in cardstock from pattern paper from the collection. And then the rest is fussy cutting out of the signature sheet in the pad with a sticker on a chipboard embellishment here. And the same down here. Okay, I'm going to open it up, and we're at the first page and the inside cover. And over here we have a pocket for photos, so you can just tuck your picture in here if you like, or you can just leave it with the puppy and the cat. So we open this up here. We have a place for photos here as well, and a spot for journaling. And then here as well, and I have a piece that's going to go in there, and I haven't put it in there yet. And then another place for a photo here, journaling spot here, and then you have some pull-outs, photo mat, more and journaling cards with this collection that's tucked away in the back here. Okay, all right. Okay, close that up. Now we're going to go over to here, the first page. This is my very first shaker card, and I didn't use a kit or anything. I just made it with chipboard. I created a chipboard frame and then used one of the cut-aparts, and I cut out the background from the center of the frame and then used the outside frame part of it as my actual frame for my shaker, and then I put acetate in there as well. So, and inside it's got like puppies and kittens and paws and teddy bears and things like that. So that's what's inside there. Okay, open it up, and we have we have a spot for, you can see that right there. We have a spot for photos up here with a tuck in behind. And then down here as well, you can put your photos anywhere you want. Down here at the bottom, you can see that. Photo spot right here. Okay, close that up. And then we turn the page to here, and we have this pops up like so. Put a photo in here, a couple smaller photos in there. And then behind here is a spot to tuck in your photo mats, what have you. In behind here, it's a little tuck spot. It's like a frame. It's an inset frame, so there's a little gap in behind here, so they can, you know, just kind of stay in place so they don't fall out. And then there's this magnetized in the back, and open it up. You have a place for photos here, here, and here. Open it up, and a place for journaling. And you have photo spots for photos here and here. More, and another photo card. And I didn't adhere any of these down, so there's quite a few of the 4x6 or 4.5 by 6.5 photo mat cards in here, but I didn't attach them down. I left that up to use and put them wherever you like. So right, okay, so here we have, whoops, his closure is down. Okay, so we have a little flip here that you can put photos in with a magnetic closure. Then you open it up, and you have a spot here where you can put a photo, and you have pockets up here. So you have tags in here, and then There's one that goes in behind here as well. So you have lots and more photo mats here and a place for photos here. Open it up, more room for photos, another photo mat, and here as well. Page 4, another photo pocket, so you can tuck your photo in there if you like. Open it up. I'm trying to think, no, that's it. Okay, so you have a journaling spot on the back side over here, or you can put a photo in here. Same over here. Open it up, another journaling spot, area for photos here and here. Same on this side. Another photo mat, and lots of room for photos here as well. Move over to page 5. This is just a little flip on the front. You can put photos in. It's magnetized. And then this opens up and you have a photo area here. This card comes out. Another photo mat, place for photos here as well. Then you have, we're on to, whoops, this is not closed properly. So we're on to page 6, and you have a pocket here, and it doesn't have, let's see if I can find an extra one kicking around here somewhere. There we go. So this has a pocket in behind here that you can pop a photo mat in, or journaling card, or what have you. Then open it up, and you have a tuck spot over here with an ephemera card in it. Place for photos here and here as well. Another tuck spot. Open it up. We have another tuck spot here. We have a pocket here with a photo mat inside. And then here we have more room for photos. Okay, and on page 7, we have this flip. You open it up, then you have place for, am I on camera? No. We have a spot at the top for a photo, and then down here at the bottom, and then all in the center. Closes up. Then we have a place for photo here, here. Open it up. Either side, you have room for photos. Tuck in here. And then this is a pocket, so we've got lots of goodies in there. Ephemera cards. Tucked away in there. Close that up. And it's magnetized as well. Then on our last one, we have another frame, and you can pop your picture in there this way. You have a pocket behind it that has a photo mat in behind there. We open it up. We have place for photos, and then we have another, open this up, and this, there we go, another photo mat here, and I haven't covered the other side yet, and I will do that once I'm off camera. So then we have, this is wide open, so you have room for photos here, and there's a band, like a little band here, it's like a, with a tuck, you can tuck something in behind there, put a photo in here, same on this side as well, same thing. You see that? We have that as well on this side, okay? And then this pocket here, this comes out, and you have another photo mat and journaling ephemera cards in there as well. So this closes up like so. Now we're on the back cover, and we have a flip here with a pocket and some journaling cards and photo mats in there. You open it up, spot for journaling, place for photos here. Over here, a spot for journaling and a belly band with, again, we have photo mats in behind this as well. So lots of room for photos in here. Lots of room. And that is the album. So I hope you enjoyed the walkthrough, and it is available in my Etsy shop. It will be available in my Etsy shop. I haven't got it listed yet, but it will be available in my Etsy shop. There is a tutorial coming for this. I'm just in the editing process now, and I'm almost done. So hopefully this weekend it will be up. I'm really, really hoping I can get it up this weekend. We ran into a technical error in one of the videos of the in the tutorial. The camera didn't. I accidentally turned the camera off and filmed the whole process of nothing. Well, I didn't turn it off. Actually, what happened was I flipped the camera so it was not facing the project, but facing the ceiling. And you can hear me talking for the whole video, but you can't see anything. How depressing. So I have recreated the video, but using an alternative to create the page, because it was the most difficult, one of the most difficult. I think it was this one that I have to recreate. This one here and this side. These have the most layers in all the pages, so they were a little bit difficult to, not really difficult, but just confusing. So I have to reiterate that page build with colors so that you can see exactly what I did. I apologize now for that ahead of time. And that was the only glitch we really had through the whole process, was the one video where the camera was facing the wrong way. It's really hard when you got to keep looking up. And I didn't look up through the whole video because I was pretty confident. Okay, so with that said, watch for the tutorial. The videos will be posted, and the tutorial will be up on my, hopefully in my shop by this weekend. But you'll know first because I'll be posting the videos to my YouTube channel here. Okay, I'll let you know. So thanks a lot, guys. Hope you enjoyed the walkthrough, and I will see you soon. Take care. Have a great weekend. Bye now.